Hello, grade 8 students. Today we will tackle about factoring. Factoring is a reverse form of the distributive rules. So first, we will tackle about the greatest common monomial factor. So before we proceed to our examples and solutions, first we will tackle about greatest common factor. So in your previous grade, you already learned about the greatest common factor. So I have example here. So what is the greatest common factor of 18 and 30? So students, this is just a review. So 18 and 30, so 18 can be divided into 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. And the 30, also their factor is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. So their greatest common factor is 6. So 18 and 30, the GCF is 6. So this is just a review. So factoring out the greatest common monomial factor is the reverse of multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. So factoring is also a reverse of a special products which we have tackled in the last weeks. So factoring is also a reverse of a special products which we have already tackled last week. So in factoring, there is a numerical coefficient and a literal coefficient. So let's proceed with the examples. Okay, our first example here is 2a squared b minus 2a squared. So first, we have to look for a common factor of 2. The first term and the second term. So their factor is 2. And then, sa variable naman, which is a, you have to look for the lowest exponent. So our lowest exponent in our variable a is a squared. So we have now our factor, which is 2a squared. So we can now solve for the factored form. So 2a squared b divided by 2a squared is b. And then next, minus 2a squared divided by 2a squared is 1. So we have now our factored form. So to check if your answer is correct, all you have to do is to use a distributive form. So 2a squared times b is 2a squared b, and 2a squared times 1, negative 1, is negative 2a squared. So our answer is correct. Next example is 9x squared y squared minus 6x y squared. So first, we have to look for a common factor of 9 and 6. So their common factor is 3. And also the variable x and y, we have to look for the lowest exponent. So the lowest exponent of x here is in the second term, which is x, and the lowest exponent here in our y is y squared. So we have now our factor, which is 3x y squared. So we have to multiply the first term. So isa-isahin natin. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and then x squared divided by x is x of 1 or x to the power of 1, pero pwede na lang natin siyang i-x. And then, y squared divided by y squared is wala na. So, hindi na natin siya ilalagay. And then, copy, negative sign. And then, 6 divided by 3 is 2, and x divided by x, so wala na. And then y squared divided by y squared, so wala na tayo. So this is now our factored form, which is 3x y squared and 3x minus 2. So to check if our answer is correct, so we have to use, again, the distributive form. So our last example is 8x cubed y squared minus 6x squared y plus 2x y squared. So first, all we have to do is to find the factor of 8, 6, and 2. So the greatest common factor is 2. And then the variable x, so just like we did in our previous example, so kailangan nating hanapin yung pinaka-lowest na exponent. So the lowest exponent here is x. And the next is y. So the lowest exponent in the given polynomial term is y. So now we have our factor. Now let's have to check. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and x cubed divided by x is x squared, and y squared divided by y is y. And then copy their sign, which is negative. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and x squared divided by x is x, and y divided by y is wala na siya. Hindi na natin siya ilalagay ang y. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1, and x divided by x, and y squared divided by y. So, ang ilalagay na lang natin na variable in our third term is y. So, our final answer here is 2xy, open quantity 4x squared y minus 3xy plus y, close quantity. So, to check if our answer is correct, so all you have to do is to use the distributive form. So 2xy times 4x squared y is 8x cubed y squared, and 2xy times negative 3x is negative 6x squared y, and then 2xy times y is positive 2xy squared, and our answer is correct. Grade 8, Week 3 activity. Copy and answer in the yellow pad paper. Factor each completely.